Today we're going to be taking things from Creative Fabrica and bringing them into Canva, such as fonts. We're going to be bringing in some PNG images to edit, and we will do a bunch of other things. So what I did is I started here in my Creative Fabrica account. I have the All Access account. So I downloaded this image here, and so there are so many to pick from. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring some images into Canva, and we are going to edit them there. So we're going to start there. I did not download these. They're super cute though. I did download these sarcastic housewives, retro housewives. And we are going to be going in here because we are going to also learn to use some of the tools here in Creative Fabrica. We're going to upload some fonts into Canva, and then we're going to come in here to the font cloud, and I'm going to show you how to use the glyphs and some things like that. And here we have got a font that I picked that I thought was really cute. It's called a font duo. That means it's two fonts that go well together. So we're going to upload that into Canva. And let's see here. There's so many. If you, excuse me, if you search font duos, you can see some that go really well together. I have a lot of these already downloaded, but this one's got some good glyphs in it. So I might upload this one as well because I want to be able to. This one's pretty good. Let's do the Hello Fall duo here. So you just download these, and then once they're downloaded, you just click on them and you're going to unzip the file. You're going to extract it, and then we will bring these into our Canva. I do have the Canva Pro account. And so let's get started here. Oh, we are also going to be working on some templates that we're going to bring into Canva. And we are going to be working on some frames. I don't know if you know how these frames work, so I want to introduce those to you, how you can insert images or designs into frames. Here's the alphabet that I brought in, and here's the watercolor frames that we're going to be bringing in. All right, so let's get started. Oh, here's another thing that I wanted to talk to you about in Canva. So if you go into Canva and you go to apps here, and you can find QR codes. See, I searched it here, and you can find QR code generator. So you can use in a new design. So I'm just going to do a custom here, and I'll do 1 by 1 inch just so that we can create a design here. So what I'm going to do is what you do here is, let's see, QR code generator. There it is. Put your URL in. My cup, oops. My cup overflows. I think it's 2022.com, and then generate the code. That's it. And then what I did when I did mine is I stretched it out so that it is full 1 inch by 1 inch, and then save this. So you just click download, and you can do a transparent background. You don't need to. I'm going to because I have Canva Pro, and I'm going to download that. So now what you can do is we'll go home here now. And we'll start a new design. So what I want to do is create a design. So I'm going to click here, create a design. And they just changed Canva over. So let me go back here. Custom size. Here's what I'm looking for right here. Custom size, create new. Now I am going to keep it in inches here. And just because I used the 1 by 1 recently, it's still in there. But I am actually going to do the 8 by 8. I like using that. That's a good size that, you know, when you create it, it brings in good quality image. But you can see you can use pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. But I'm going to stick with inches here, and I'm going to use 8 by 8. It's one that I use quite often. So now I'm going to upload that QR code. You can see I already have one here. So what I do is I would go to my uploads, just click on that new QR code and bring it in. And then you can just pop it into your design if you want to. Now we are not going to be using this today, and I'm actually going to get rid of this one because I already have one and I don't need two of them in here. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to go to elements here. And let's see, let's just go to text here. We'll start with our fonts. So I will add a text box, and you can see I can add a text box here, and it comes in as Canva Sans. That is Canva's standard font. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click this, just click that Canva Sans there, so that you can see the other fonts. These are ones that I've recently used. These are ones that I have uploaded from Creative Fabrica. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit right here, upload a font. And so that's going to bring us into the new fonts that I just uploaded this morning. So I did two of them. Let me see if I can find the other one here. Here, scary and spooky. So we will click on the open type font. There's two of them, of course, because they're font duos. So I'm going to click on both of them and I'm going to hit open, and it's going to say, you know, can you use these? Do you have the rights? Yes, I'm going to upload them. I have a Creative Fabrica All Access account. That means I can use the fonts. And so that is going to bring them in here. And doggone it, I forgot what that was called. Here, go back. It was called Hello Fall. No, it was called, I want to find it here. Spooky, scary and spooky. So now we just scroll down here. PQR, here it is. Scary and spooky, the display. So I'll make this one that, and I'll make it bigger so that you can see it. And then the other one, I'll add another text box. And I will go and change the font to the other scary and spooky here, which is the script one. And of course, I'll make this bigger so you can see it. And as you can see, these texts go very, very nicely together. You know, you can make some good designs, and we'll edit this in a bit, but I'm going to add another page now, and I'm going to add another text box. And now I'm going to go here again. I'm going to click on the font here, and I'm going to go to upload a font. And we are going to go to our other fonts, which is the Hello Fall. And we want to use the open type, the true type font, our older versions. So we're going to click open type font file here, the display and the script, and we're going to open them. It's going to, yes, we have permission to use these. So it is going to, these fonts made the same. Select the font you want to upload. Oh, let's skip the conflict here. So I don't know what I did wrong there. So let's try this again. Go to the font here, upload a font. We'll do them separate. We'll do the open type here, open, yes, upload. And then I will do the same and I'll open the other one. The following font, please try a different file. It's not a font file. Interesting. Oh, let's see. Hello Fall. Maybe I already got it. EF. Well, that's interesting. So let's go back to Creative Fabrica and we'll find another font duo here. I want one that's got some glyphs in it here. I think I have this Brown Carolina already. So maybe we'll just use one that I already have uploaded. Let's go to, let's see. Dream Wish here is a one that we can do. Download. So as soon as Dream Wish is downloaded, we will open it here. I don't know what happened to the other one. If some of you know what happened, you can leave it in the comments. But now I'm going to extract these files and I will go and insert them into Creative Fabrica. So again, we go to upload a font and they are called Dream Wish. So I'm going to go to downloads here, Dream Wish here. Okay, open type and open type. Dream Wish and Dream Wish Sand. Yes, upload. Here we go. So now we've got Dream Wish coming in. So now what I will do is I will add Dream Wish to this one. You can see that it came in here, Dream Wish regular. And so I'll make this bigger so you can see that it changed it to that cute font. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload these into our font cloud as well. Let's see, we'll add another text box and we're going to change this one to Dream Display. So there we go. And we will make this one bigger so we can see this as well. So now the fun part. We'll go into Creative Fabrica again, and we're going to go into our tools here. And you see we have Font Cloud here. So I'm going to open my Font Cloud and I'm going to open it here. And I am going to upload. Excuse me, I have a slight cold. I apologize. We are going to upload. So here we go, browse, and I am going to find my downloads here, and I'm going to go to the Dream Wish, and I'm going to bring in both of those open type fonts, and I'm going to bring it in open, and we'll watch for this to come in. Go to D here. Dream Wish, there we go. So we have the display, Dream Wish displays. Give it a second to populate here. And this is the Dream Wish script. So it's going to take a second to get in here. I'll show you some other ones here. There we go. Here is Dream Display and Dream Wish here. I just want to show you what these look like. When you scroll down, you can start to see some of the fonts here. You can see the glyphs on the end of the letters. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our design here, which is just a fake design, but we're going to go to your paragraph text here. Let's change this to falling in love. Let's see, change the text here. I have no clue what to do here, but let's just do falling in love. Oops, got my cap lock on. Oh, cow, I could type today. Falling in love. So now we're going to backspace off of this F. And now we're going to go back to our font cloud and we're going to find the F with the glyph on the left side. So let's see, EF. So as soon as you click on this, it's going to save it to your clipboard. See, it says right here, character copied to clipboard. So that's the F. Now we go back to our Canva. We go right to the spot where we want it and hit Control V. And that's going to pop that in there. See how beautiful that is? And we're going to do it the same thing here at the end for the E. I'm going to backspace that E out. And now we're going to go and find the E with the glyph to the right here. As soon as you touch it, it's going to copy it to the clipboard. And then we're going to go back and we're going to put our cursor right there again, Control V. And there you have it, right at the end. So now I'm going to change this text to with fall. Oops. Again, I can't type today. I should just go back to bed. Let's see. I just want to make sure that I don't have my cap locks on. Okay, so now I'm going to make this bigger and you can do all kinds of fun things with this. So you can move it closer, get it nice up in there. Make this one bigger. Move this over. Get it centered. You see the center line there, that magenta lines? That helps you with your centering of your images, and it works really, really well. Falling in love with fall. I'm going to bring this up and maybe make it a little smaller. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this one highlighted and I'm going to go to effects here. And I like this outline. So I clicked on the outline here and you can change the thickness of this. You see that there, but I'm going to go and I'm going to find a color that's going to look good with this. But the first thing I'm going to do before I do that is I'm going to go back to elements here and I'm going to bring in some elements that are already in Canva. So I'm going to put fall leaves here just because I want the colors. So I'm going to add this in right here. So now when we have this font highlighted and we go to effects, we can get color here and it brings in the colors from these leaves. So that makes it really neat. So what I'm going to do is go back to effects here. And I want to change the color here. So I'm going to click this and there's those colors so that I can outline my words with the colors from the leaves. So, and now I'm going to make that a little thinner. And I'm also going to change the color of my font to, maybe I'll go with this orange color here. Whoops, I guess I got to highlight it first. Go with that. Oops, that's too much the same. So I'm going to change that again here. Go with something darker. Maybe white. Nope, don't like that, but let's go. Let's change the outline effect to white instead. There we go. Nope, go with black on that. There we go. So we'll leave that for now. Now I'm going to pick up the Falling in Love with Fall, and I'm going to do the same thing with the effects here. And I'm going to pick up a color to put on the outside of this one as well. So, and then I can also make it thicker or thinner. You can see that, how that changes the look of that. So you can have a complete border with them touching. I kind of like them where the white is still showing. So that is just shows you how you can change your color and you can bring an image in from you know, your elements. Here, let's upload one and see how that works too. So I'm going to upload some files that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. So let's see, I have oh, these sarcastic retro women. Okay, I'll bring in this PMS one here. So I'll bring this image in. So now I will add it to this one here. So now I'm just going to bring this down and move this up so you can see. Now let's see if it does the same color for this. Go back and we will change the color. Yeah, see, it did. So now on here, when I've got the text box highlighted, I just went to the color, text color, and it brought in colors from that image. So let's change some of these here. Let's see. I'm going to change this whole thing because I'm going to show you how to edit this image as long as we're on it. So let's see. Let's just write something that it has in there. PMS, let's call this, let's see. We'll come back and change this later. OCD and N. We'll think of something, I don't know. Pretty messy situation. We'll just call it that. PMS, pretty messy situation. Okay, so now we're going to leave our fonts there and we're going to click on this image and we're going to hit edit. And because I have the all X or the pro account, I can go into Magic Eraser here. You see it's a pro option for Canva. And I'm going to edit this and I am just going to take out all of these words. I don't want any of this in my design. So this is just, I want to show you how to, you can edit your images here. You can make your brush smaller too. I'm just going to go big. And then when I get closer to the image itself, I'll come back in. What I'm doing is I'm just holding my mouse down and running the brush over this. Now you can let go and you can erase that part. And then it'll come back and then we'll be able to clean it up even more. There it goes. It's got a lot to take out, so it takes a little bit of time here. So now I'm going to make my brush smaller so that I can clean this up better without touching her at all. And I'm just going to scooch on through here and clean up this design. And now I'm going to hit erase again, and then I'm going to look it over and make sure that it's the way I like it. I kind of don't like that ribbon right there, but I'm going to leave it anyway, just so that you can see. All right, that looks good. So now we will go to exit out of here. Now you can see our design, our image is here, but it does not have the words in there. I didn't want those words. I want these words, just because I'm going to show you some font things, but I'm going to space these out and I'm going to move this over. PMS, pretty messy situation. Let's make this bigger. You can also stretch it to make it bigger too, probably faster. So I'm gonna go and I can justify this to the left. So now bring it in here. Now you can also go here where these arrows are for spacing, and I can move my lines together more. You see how that works? Isn't that neat? So that's a really good way to move your images that way. Okay, so now what font did I use here? Scary and spooky. Okay, so I am going to change this one to, what did we have? Dream Wish. Dream Wish regular. Whoops, not that one. I want that the top one. So go to Dream Wish regular Dream Display. There we go. So, and now we'll go back to our font cloud and we will find Dream Wish here. Oh, I forgot what letter I want. Capital P. Let's see. Maybe we want to make it a small p, but let's see what the capital P looks like. Let's see. That's the same. So I think I'm going to make this a small p. So I'll look for the small p with the glyph on the left. So go down here. MNOP right here, click it, saves it to the clipboard, go back up, take out the P here, backspace, and Control V. And there we've got it, the glyph. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the M and the Y. Let's do the Y first. We might as well do all the Ys at the same time. Click on this one and go back. Go backspace, Control V. We'll do it for messy too. Backspace, Control V. Cool. I like how that goes down into the T. Now we'll do the M, S, and N. So we go back, we'll find the M, wrong side. Click on this N. We'll do situation, space, Control V. We're going to move this over. It's not going to be touching. Now we want the S with the glyph on the left, right here. Copy it. Whoops, wrong one. Go to backspace, Control V. Now the M. Get that out of here for now. M on the left. That's the wrong side. M on the left. Where are you? There we are. Click it, copies it, go back and get my cursor in here. I'll have to put a new E in because I can't get it. Over, Control V, messy, pretty messy situation. Okay, so, and they look really good together. So let's get this in. I might center this again to see what I got going here. Right justification, let's try that. Here, PMS, make this over a little bit. And bring this down maybe. Anyway, you get the gist of it so that you can change, you can totally change the look of images that you bring in. You can change the, oops, wrong one, like this one for line spacing here. You can totally change the whole look of an image that you bring in from Creative Fabrica. And you want to do that because you want to make it your own image. So now we've got that. We talked about the fonts and the glyphs. We talked about importing images. So now let's go down and add another page. Can't remember everything I was going to talk to you about today. Oh, I remember. We're going to bring in our frames. So what you're going to do now is we download where it says editable frames. That's a business card. Let's see. Doodle alphabet. Here we go. So I'm going to open this, and what comes in is actually a PDF file. So I'm going to open this for you so that you can see it. Where'd you go? All right, put you here. And then what you do is it says, thank you for your download. Click download button for the template. So you have to have your Canva account open, and you can have a free Canva account too. You don't have to have a pro for this. Now you just click here, and it is, oops, this is the business card. So let's start with that one. So this is a business card. So, and it also has frames in there that you can add images to. So what we'll do is we'll say, use template for a new design. Excuse me. So now that brought it into a new Canva here. So now you can just go to elements, you can upload your own images, or you can use images that they already have. So I'll set, being we're on fall, I'll just grab a background here. Fall background graphics, I'll just pull this one in. You just pick up your image and you're going to slide that right into the frame. Did you see that? I'll do it again. Pick up the image and slide it right into the frame. You'll see it take shape. Now let's find a different image. Let's find, let's use this one for the center. Whoops, back out of there, get out of there. So now we'll do this one, we'll put in that center circle. Whoops, it's going for the big one there. There we go. You just pop them in there. That's it. That's how these work. They are so slick. So now you can change the name. You can change the wording on here. You can take things out. You can delete them. You can put your own, what do you call it? QR code in there. You put your own website in, you change it up to make it your own. That's how these work. These can be your own images that you put in. They don't have to be Canva ones. So you would upload your logo to put into your business card. So now that we have that done, we'll move on to going back to, oh yeah, that's where we were. Okay, so I want to get back to find the doodle fonts here. See, doodle font. Here we go. I had opened the wrong one. Here it is. This should be the one. There we go. It says, thank you. You can access your template. Just click here. So you click on it and it brings it into your Canva account. So now you go to use template for a design. Click it. It's going to make it a 12 by 12. So it's coming in. It said that on the template. So now here's the alphabet. The whole thing's in here. You can scroll down and you can see it. You can take pictures of your dog, your kids, your yard, whatever you want, you can bring into these. I don't have any images uploaded, I don't think. Let me look here. No, I don't have any of my own images or any of my own pictures uploaded, just this one, but that's not worth pulling in. So you can go to elements, and we'll stick to the fall theme here just because those fall backgrounds are in there, but you can put any photo in these that you want. You could have 4 different photos going here of your kids, one in each of the letters of their name when you put it together. Let's put this one in here. Let's go find some more backgrounds. Fall backgrounds here again, get back to the graphics. You can bring in the pumpkins and put it in this one. You can bring the checkerboard and put it in this one, and you get the hang of that. See, now you're going to download it, so you have to download them. You're going to hit download. If you have Pro, click transparent background here, and you can raise up your DPI. But I don't think you would need to for this because they are 12 by 12 images and you're probably going to shrink them down. But then just download them, unzip them, and then upload them back into your Canva account. So let's do one of these. We'll download, instead of doing all pages, I am just going to do page 1 because I don't need to download all of these. So I'm going to download page 1. And I will show you how to upload them. So now it's up, it's right there, a copy. So now I'll go and I'll upload this. It'll bring in my downloads, and there it is. And it's gonna upload it. So now what I can do is I can start a new document. I'll go in here. It should be right here. Let me refresh this and see if it comes in. Uploads, there it is. So now we'll put it on, we can even put it on any of these pages, but there's your A right there. So you can do whatever you want with it. You can make a design out of that or whatever. I suggest you trying with photos. I did like a few things for my daughter. They have a lake house, and I put the word lake and then put images of their lake and their cabin and stuff in the letters, and it was really beautiful. So, I mean, you can see what you can do with this. Let's see, what else do we have here? I don't want to miss anything. We did the business cards. So I'm going to close that one. We did the doodle fonts, so I'll close that one. We haven't done the frames. So that's what we'll work on now. So now I'll go to add a page. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to upload the file. So that was watercolor splash. So again, here's the link. You just open the link or open the PDF file. What I do, I lost it. Dang it. Hold on one second here. Let me find this again. Where did I lose this? Sorry, just give me 1 second here. I got so many things in my download file. There it is. Okay, so let's just click on it slowly, Cindy, so that it comes up here for you. All right, what's going on here? Oh, it's uploading it. That's why I don't want to upload my PDF file. Okay, so we are going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to open the PDF. So here it says, thank you so much for your order, and click here to go to the Canva. So here we go. And here are those splash designs. Use template for a design right here. There we go. Click. Now remember, you have to have your Canva account open. So now it did bring this in separate, which is fine. So I did not want to do that. But what I will do is, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to my uploads or go to elements here. So what size is this image? Size. Let's go to a custom size here. It's at 12 by 12. I'm just going to drop it down to 8 by 8. It's 12 by 12. It's pretty big. So, okay, now we got this resized. So now what I want to do is I'm going to find another, we'll go back to the elements here, and I'll go back to the fall backgrounds again. And you just pick it up, slide it in. There you go. Bam, done. Pick it up, slide it in. And I'm going to get, I'll do one more here. Let's see all. I want some fun ones. Let's use this one. Slide it in, and I'll get rid of this one because I don't need to download that. So now I'm going to save this. I will go to download, and I'm going to do a transparent background, and I'm going to download these, and I'm going to show you why I'm going to download these here. So once it gets done downloading, I'm going to open up my file. Here it is, the splashes, and I'm going to extract them because it's a copy. So I'm going to extract them so that I can find them. So I'm going to close this one. I'm going to close this one because we don't need that one. Hopefully I didn't close the wrong one. Go here now, and I'm going to upload those splashes that I just put. Let's see, copy of splash here. I'm going to upload all 3 of these into Canva. Upload them. And I'll show you why I'm going to do that. So now I have these splashes with these backgrounds, so I could add one to the back of this. I could stretch this out, add one to the back of my A. So then you just go here to position and send it backward. And there you got it. You can put your A right in the center there. I could add it to one to this, fall in love with fall, bring it up here, make it bigger, bigger. Get rid of the leaves back here. Whoops. Get rid of these leaves, delete those out of there. You can move this around now. You can change the color, of course, now again. change the color here, go to effects, and now it'll have, well, we'll leave it that for now. That's that color. Here we go. So now we can change some of these colors here. Let's use this one. No, maybe that one. There you go. And this one, change the color to this maybe. There we go. So you can start to see what you can do here. I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to put fall leaves again and pull up my graphics here. You can also go into Creative Fabrica and you can download leaves too and then change them to what you want them to look like. But you can also go here and edit your photo and you can add a shadow to this. You can have it drop down with the shadow. You can change the angle. See how that changes. You can change the blur amount. You know, you can change the distance. So you see how you can get a totally different effect. So let's go into Creative Fabrica and find some fall leaves here. Fall leaves. All right, so let's get some here. And you can see how they come in and they're just got so many beautiful ones. So let's do this one. We'll just download this and we'll bring a few of these images into Creative Fabrica. Did I download it? Here we go. There it goes. They're opening. I'll unzip it now and I'll extract them all. Get them out. Now I'm going to close this one. I don't need this many windows open here. I don't need Dream Wish. All those are extracting. All right, so now I'm going to go to my Canva and I'm going to go to uploads and I will upload some of these leaves here. Let's see. Fall leaves. There we go. I'm just going to bring them all in for fun. Excuse me. All right. Oh, that's cute. That little mushroom. I think I'll grab him, add him in. Oops, they popped in on me too fast, but I guess I can use that one too, but I'm going to delete that one. Woo! No. Go back. There we go. Just hit the back there. I want to delete my leaf, not my whole thing. Here, put the mushroom in and shrink him down. That is super cute. Cute little mushroom there. But you get the hang of this. You can do whatever you want. Now there's going to be different colors there. So I could click on this and go back and find something from the mushroom that matches. I don't like that, but this one maybe, you know, so you can see the colors and change it and have some fun with it, you know, but just doing it to show you. Now let's see, what else did I have? Okay, we did the frames, we did the doodles, we did this frame, we did the leaves, we did the fonts, we did the font cloud. Now let's do, let's go to Creative Fabrica again. I don't know if you know what, if you're like me, the first time I heard the word mockup, I had no clue what that meant. So if you're selling on Etsy or somewhere, you may want to use mockups. So let's go in here and see what we have for mockups. You can see what mockups are here. Ornaments. You can find mockups for anything here. Let's see. Let's find just plain mockups here. We'll just put mockup in here, but I'm looking for a specific one. So here you can see these are frames that you can bring into Canva to put your mockup on. There's shirts here. There are all kinds of things that you can do. And I'll show you some that I already have uploaded into my into my Canva account. But I want to show you specifically a couple of Christmas ornament ones. So what I'll do here is I will download this, because if you're making something to sell, say in Etsy, and it's a design that you're selling, you want to have a mock-up so that they can see what it's going to look like. And I do sell a lot of ornament designs. So I want to open the PNG one here. And you can see how that comes in as black. I'll show you why. I'm going to bring this in here. Mock-up ornament. At 17 here. All right, so now I'm going to go into my Canva account here, And I am going to, here I've got some uploaded already, but I'm going to bring another one in and I'm going to upload the file that I just brought in, this one right here. And I'm going to show you the difference between a couple of them. So this one's coming in now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new page here. And I'm going to add this mock-up to it. And so I'm going to stretch this out. This is the one that we just brought in from Creative Fabrica. And now I'm going to add an ornament design that I made. So here it comes in and you can see that it comes to the front. Now I'm going to do what it's called positions and I'm going to send it to the back. And you see how that wraps around the ornament so that they can actually see what it's going to look like on the ornament. So that's what I wanted to show you. So it doesn't matter. Let's go to my uploads here. It doesn't matter if you're going to be putting in an image, say like this. This doesn't matter because it's got a clear background. So it doesn't matter. But something like this one, you can see, let's bring this forward. You want this to be positioned so that it looks like an ornament. So you're going to send it to the back. And so that is how some mock-ups work. So let's do another mock-up here. Let's add a t-shirt. See if I can find some shirt mock-ups here that I have. There's a specific one I'm looking for because I want to do something with the hair. Okay, I can't find the one I'm looking for, but I'll use this one. So I'm going to bring this in. And this is a double shirt, so like a mommy and me type thing. So I'll go to my uploads here and I'm just going to bring in a picture. I'm going to get my mock out here and I'm just going to bring in, I'll bring in this. Wait, we didn't download it yet. I was going to say I'll bring in that design we just made. Well, this is one that I just made recently. So let's bring this one in. Life is scary without Jesus. So you can actually make this the size you want to put on the shirt. Put it in here. And then sometimes the hair might be in the way. So what you do is you go here and you go to edit image and you can actually use the magic eraser and you can take some of the hair out here so that it's not in the way of your design. You don't have to take it all out, but you can see now I'll hit erase and then we'll go back in. And it gives you a little more room to work with. See if this works. On some of them, it does not. It'll take the whole shirt away. But there, that worked pretty good. So now we've got the hair shrunk down, and I'm just using this one as an example. It's not typically the mock that I use, but here you can do like a mama and me shirt or something too. So, and then here is coffee cup image. And so this is a mock-up that you can bring in. And of course, this one, you're going to want to clear PNG for that, so that you can do your mock-ups. And that's how mock-ups work. So I think we talked about quite a bit today. So thank you for watching. See my links below for items that might be on sale or my favorite things on Amazon. I do make a slight commission from some of these. And also, I'll have a link below for the Creative Fabrica All Access account. It is an incredible deal that I think everyone should take advantage of. Thank you for watching.